Welcome to another video. This will be ergonomic evaluation. So I'm going to start the workbench and I want to discuss the following. So this will be the new Manikin. If I'm going to expand over here the help, if I'm going to press F1 over here on top of Manikin, we're going to see that we can apply the Manikin within the stand relax posture or sit relax posture. So let's get started. First we need to select the product where we want to add this. Afterwards I will insert the Manikin. And we have this interface where we can change male to female over here. We can also specify the population, so this will be American with 50%. We can also go for Canadian, French, Japanese. We're gonna see how that posture will change. Korean. This will be again so American. We see that there are two, the first one and this one. We have the German population and we have the Indian population. We can also specify if you want to have the character within a stand relaxed posture or within a sitting posture. Now let's jump to CATIA V5 and see how we can enter a Manikin over there. So I will go to Start, Shape, Start Ergonomic Design Analysis and Human Posture Analysis. We can also build the Manikin within Human Builder, but I will start over here, and again we need to specify the main product. In this case we can also specify the gender over here, the percentile, and also within the optional, again we're gonna have American, Canadian, French, Japanese, Korean, and also Chinese, Taiwan over here. So I will go for French over here. We can also set a reference. We see over here H point, I point, either within the left or right foot or the crouch over here. So I will select the reference to be the I point. I'm going to click OK and we're going to have that added. Now we see that I'm still within assembly design. So to jump to that I will need to and I still see that I'm within assembly design, so I will jump back to human posture analysis, select the Manikin, and now we're going to see that we are within that workbench, so human posture analysis. And if I want to have this character move like the one from 3DEXPERIENCE, I can go over here, select this, and we're going to have the predefined postures. So this is the initial one. It's the same as standing, but we see the arms will be at position like this. We can also add him within a sit position over here. Or we can have this span within a T shape like this, or have it kneeled. So I will leave this as sit, just like within 3DEXPERIENCE. Okay, so this was an overview regarding inserting a Manikin within CATIA V5 and within 3DEXPERIENCE. I will add a similar video on the left side and I will also add a subscribe button to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.